Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 235 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with entering the menu, so just press this middle button, go up to find the contacts and press select. So here we've got our contact which we would like to customize, so let's open it, let's press this middle button and then go up and press edit. Now go up again and press add, so again the middle button. And now we will be automatically transferred to our own photos which we've got. So of course we can choose something from them, or just press this or choose this camera icon, which means that your device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. I'll choose something from previously taken photos, specifically this one. So just mark the option you'd like to use and press select. And now you can see that you can change the position of this highlighted, let's say highlighted circle. And thanks to this, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this circle is responsible for what you will see after saving. So just position it like you want to and press this left button with the tick icon. And as you can see, here we've got our photo applied. Now we can go back. We want to press OK to save the contact, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.